Guys, this is an absolutely crazy update. We've just got Flux Kontext and it is absolutely amazing. If you've been editing images with ChatGPT, you can forget about it. This is a game changer. So we're going to have a look on it, and we're going to have a look on Replicate, where we can play with Flux Kontext Pro. It is also available in free pick as well, but that's a little bit more expensive. Here it costs $0.04 per image, and it is absolutely nuts. We're going to have a look on it and see some stuff that we can do with it, right? So we have some examples over here, then we have some more advanced stuff, etc. So you can have a look at the examples. I'll have this link in the description down below. We can have a look here at the playground and put our own images here. So I'll just swap this with an image. Let me have a look over here. Okay, so this is a selfie with me and my friend, and what I can do is in the prompt right here, change my friend in the orange t-shirt into a stone sculpt. Okay, we're going to run it and we're going to see how it pans out. I believe it's going to be absolutely superb. It should be pretty fast. Okay, we've got it here. Looks pretty cool, pretty good. Happy with it. It really does look like a sculpture. Very well done. We're going to try another image. What I really love about it is that we can do some more advanced editing. So I'll go back into, so I have a photo of me not holding anything. We're going to use that photo and say, put into my hands a banana, right? So we're going to use that, and it's going to put into my hand a banana. So that's going to be absolutely nuts. Yep, it works well, and it also has the right amount of fingers as well. So that's absolutely insane. Love how it looks. We're going to do a last example. What I enjoy about it when I was playing with it is that it can change the background image. So I've got a photo of myself here on a beach in Virginia, and we're going to change the background to a futuristic city like Shanghai, and we're going to get a selfie that's going to look like that I'm in Shanghai. Yep, and that looks pretty good. It also takes care of the hair very well, especially for being a very early AI image generator. I think it does a superb job. Obviously it lowers the detail a little bit. You can have a look into my beard here that there's not so much detail, but it still looks really cool and really good. So this has been Flux Kontext, just in a quick update. Absolutely killer tool. You need to have a look into it, and the best way is Replicate right now. So if you're interested in generative AI and everything around that, have a look on the link down below, where I have a private community where I teach everything about AI and the latest updates. Otherwise, have a phenomenal day.